Ever stare at your to-do list, feeling like you're pushing a car uphill? Your brain just screams nope. You know you should start, but the mental block is huge. Then guilt piles on, making it even harder. This isn't willpower. Our energy fluctuates wildly. Forcing big tasks on a low-energy day leads to burnout. You waste mental energy trying to push through, achieving little, and feeling totally drained. What if you worked with your brain's rhythms instead of constantly fighting them? Attently was built by someone with ADHD. You set your energy level, and it filters your tasks to match. So if you're sluggish, it shows quick wins. No complex reports. Stop fighting your brain. If you've tried every productivity app and none stuck, this one was built by someone who gets it. Attently.uk